तू काहे डोले प्राणिया, तुध राखेगा सिरजनहार। Why do you waver, O mortal being? The Creator Lord Himself shall protect you. जिन पैदाइश तू किया सोई दे आधार। He who created you will give you nourishment. Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. Introduction. Group 17 element fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene are member of group 17. These are collectively known as halogens. Greek halo means salt and gene mean born, that is, they are salt producers. Like group 1 and 2, the element of group 17 show great similarity among themselves. Fluorine and chlorine are fairly abundant, while bromine and iodine are less. Fluorine present mainly as insoluble fluorides. Seawater contains mainly sodium chloride solution 2.5% by mass. Electronic configuration, all these elements have electrons, 7 electrons in their valence shell. Outer electronic configuration is ns2 and p5. Atomic and ionic radii. The halogens have smallest atomic radii in their respective pairs due to maximum effective nuclear charge. Atomic and ionic radii increase from fluorine to iodine due to increase in number of shells. Ionization enthalpy, they have very high ionization enthalpy due to increase in atomic size. Ionization enthalpy decrease down the group. We have these elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and size is increasing on moving down the group due to increase in number of shells. Now next is electron gain enthalpy. Halogen have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the corresponding periods. This is due to the fact that atoms in these elements have only one electron less than the stable noble gas configurations. Electron gain enthalpy of the element of the group becomes less negative down the group. There is one exception. The negative electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. Why it is happening? So very important question. It is due to the small size of fluorine atom. As a result, there are strong interelectronic repulsions in the relative small 2p orbitals of fluorine, and thus incoming electron does not feel experience much attraction. Is seen here. We have fluorine atom, nucleus, 2 electron in the inner shell, and outward there are 7 electrons. There is problem, repulsion. Blinking is showing the repulsion in the outermost shell. That's why the incoming electron does not feel much interaction, and electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. Electronegativity, they are very high electronegativity. The electronegativity decreases down the group. Fluorine is most electronegative element in the periodic table. Physical property, fluorine and chlorine are gases, bromine is a liquid and iodine is a solid. Their melting and boiling point steadily increase with the atomic number. All halogens are colored. This is due to the absorption of radiation in visible region, which result in the excitation of outer electron to higher energy level. By absorbing different quanta of radiation, they display different colors. These 2 points are very important. Why halogens are colored? Because they show absorption in visible region, and different color means different absorption of different quanta of radiation. For example, F2 has yellow, Cl2 is greenish yellow, Br2 is red, and I2 is violet in color. Now bromine and iodine are only sparingly soluble in water but are soluble in various organic solvents such as chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide, and hydrocarbons to give colored solutions. Anomaly for exception, smaller enthalpy of dissociation for F2 compared to that of Cl2. Why it is so? Because fluorine is small in size and bond is smaller, the bond dissociation energy should be higher than that of chlorine. Whereas XX bond dissociation from chlorine onward show the expected trend. Cl is maximum, then bromine, and then I2. Cl2 maximum, then Br2, and then I2. A reason fluorine have uh, exceptional behavior. It has bond dissociation energy lesser, even lesser than chlorine and bromine, but it is higher than iodine. A reason for this anomaly is the relatively large electron-electron repulsion among the lone pairs in F2 molecule, where they are closer to each other than in case of Cl2. Let's see the animation. I have two fluorine atoms and electronic configuration of one atom, second one, and the yellow electrons are the shared electrons. And in the animations, these are the blinking and electronic repulsions are there, and nucleus is also repelling, electrons are also repelling, repulsions are more because size is very small, and its blinking is shown that they have large repulsions and F2 bondation energy is lesser. Chemical property: all the halogen exhibit -1 oxidation state. Chlorine, bromine, and iodine exhibit +1, +3, +5, and +7 oxidation state also. As explained in the next animation, fluorine can't do this because it doesn't have the d orbital in the valence shell. 2s, 2p, 2d is not there. Let's see. I have these ns, np, and nd in the Haldane electronic configuration. Outer is ns2 and np5. Halogen is the ground state, and in the first excited state, one electron will be excited to d. Blinking electron is excited to d, and its first excited state. In second excited state, uh, this blinking electron will be second electron will be excited into d, and the second oxidation state, second excited state, and in the third excited state the blinking electron will again be excited to the next d, then the third excited state. In the normal ground state there is only one unpaired electron, plus one or minus one. It can be lost or one electron can be gained to get the stability. Now there are three unpaired electron plus three oxidation, five unpaired electron, five plus five, and seven unpaired electron plus seven oxidation state is shown in the same way. Now the fluorine atom has no d orbital in valence shell and therefore cannot expand its octet. Being the most electronegative, it exhibits only -1 oxidation state is due to the absence of d orbital in valence shell. The higher oxidation states of chlorine, bromine, and iodine are realized merely when the halogens are in combination with the small and highly electronegative fluorine and oxygen atoms. Higher +3, +5, +7 only when they combine with fluorine and oxygen. Example in interhalogens also, oxides, oxoacids. The radius substance of electron is the reason for strong oxidizing nature of halogen. They are strong oxidizing agent. Fluorine is the strongest oxidizing halogen and it oxidizes other halide ions in solution or even in the solid phase. In general, a halogen oxidizes halide ions to higher atomic number. Reactions are given: fluorine, chlorine, and bromine oxidizing reactions are given below. And the relative oxidizing power of halogens can further be illustrated by their reactions with water. Fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen, whereas chlorine and bromine react with water to form corresponding hydrohalic and hypohalous acids. The reaction of iodine with water is non-spontaneous. I negative can be oxidized by oxygen in acidic medium, just the reverse of the reaction observed with fluorine. The reaction is given below. Fluorine how react with water, and X2, second is X2 is a Cl or Br, and I is reaction. These reactions are given below with water. Hanji. All the halogens are highly reactive. They react with metal, non-metal to form halides. The reactivity of halogen decreases down the group. Reactive to add hydrogen, react with hydrogen and form hydrides HF, HCl, HBr, and HI. Their acidic strength will decrease from HF, HCl, HBr, and HI because size increases, bond length increases, and bond dissociation energy decreases. And reactivity to add oxygen, they form oxide by reacting with the oxygen, but their oxides are unstable. Form oxygen form only two oxides, OF2, O2F2. However, OF2 is thermally stable. Both the strong fluorinating agents, O2F2, very important, oxidizes plutonium to PuF6, and the reaction is used in removing plutonium as PuF6 from spent nuclear fuel. It's important reaction. Similarly, chlorine, bromine, and iodine form oxide in which the oxidation state of these halogens ranges from +1 to +7. A combination of kinetic and thermodynamic factor lead to a generally decreasing order of stability of oxide formed by the halogen. I is maximum, then Cl, and then Br. Uh, Keep in mind the oxides of iodine are highly reactive, then chlorine, and then for bromine. The higher oxides of halogen tend to be more stable than the lower one. Okay, higher oxidation state oxides are more stable than the oxide in lower oxidation state. Chlorine oxides are given are highly reactive oxidizing agent and tend to explode. Cl2 is used bleaching agent for paper pulp and textiles in water treatment and in water. The bromine oxides, the Br2O, Bro2, Bro3 are least stable halogen oxides. Middle row anomalies, it is known as middle row anomaly, and exist only at low temperatures. They are very powerful oxidizing agents. Okay, now the iodine oxides I2O4, I2O5, I2S are insoluble solids and decomposes on heating. I2O5 is a very good oxidizing agent and is used in estimation of carbon monoxide. Which oxides of is used in the estimation of carbon monoxide, that is I2O5. Important reactivity with metals, they react with metals and form halides. NaCl, NaBr, KCl, many halides are formed. The basic character of halide decreases in the order MF, MCl, MBr, Mi, where M is a monovalent metal. If the metal exhibit more than one oxidation state, the halides in the higher oxidation state will be more covalent than in the lower oxidation state. Example, SnCl4, PbCl4, SbCl5, and UF6 are more covalent than SN2, PCl2, PbCl2, SnCl3, and UF4 respectively. Reactivity of halogen to add halogens. Halogen combine amongst themselves to form number of compounds known as interhalogens. XX of type XX3, XX5, XX7, where X is a larger size halogen and X dash is the smaller sized halogen. Oxoacids, due to the high electronegativity and small size fluorine, form only one oxoacid, HOF, known as fluoric 1 acid and hypofluorous acid. Why fluorine form only one oxoacid? Small size, high electronegativity. Other halogens form several oxoacids. Most of them cannot be isolated in pure state. They are stable only in aqueous solution or in the form of their salts. These are given oxoacids, and fluorine is only chlorine, HOCl, HOClO, HOClO2, HOClO3, bromine, HOBr, HOBrO2, HOBrO3. Similarly for the iodine. Okay, structure of some oxoacids are given, and जाका हर स्वामी प्रभ बेली, पीड़ गई फिर नहीं दुहेली. She who has the Lord God as her friend, her pain is dispelled, and she shall not become sad again. Thank you for watching the lecture.